In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain from Bluehost to GoDaddy. This process can seem a bit daunting at first, but I'm here to guide you through each step to make it as simple as possible. First, we need to prepare your domain for transfer over at Bluehost. Start by logging into your Bluehost account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Domains tab from your dashboard. From here, you'll see a list of domains you own. Find the domain you wish to transfer and click on the Manage button next to it. Now, you need to ensure that your domain is unlocked. This is a crucial step, as domains must be unlocked to be transferred between registrars. Look for the lock setting and toggle it off to unlock your domain. Next, we need to obtain the EPP or authorization code, which you'll use to initiate the transfer with GoDaddy. Still under the Manage section of your domain, look around for an option labeled Transfer EPP or Auth Code. Click on it, and Bluehost will send an email to the address associated with your account containing this important code. Keep in mind that this code is valid for a certain period, so ensure you use it within the timeframe noted in the email. With your authorization code at hand, we move on to GoDaddy. If you haven't already, log into your GoDaddy account. Once there, find the tab labeled Domains and select Transfer Domain. This should bring up an option to transfer to GoDaddy. In the blank field that appears, you need to enter the domain you want to transfer from Bluehost. The next part requires you to enter the authorization code you received in the email from Bluehost. Type it in carefully to avoid any errors that could delay the transfer. After successfully inputting the code, you'll be prompted to pay a transfer fee. This can be done using the payment method tied to your GoDaddy account. It's important to note that this fee typically covers a 1-year domain renewal, so it's like renewing your domain while switching it over. Once you've processed the payment, your role is essentially done for the moment. The actual transfer can take up to 7 days to complete, though typically, it happens much faster. During this period, you can check the status of your transfer in your GoDaddy account under the My Domains section. It's also a good practice to keep an eye on your email for any updates or requests for additional information from either registrar. And there you have it. You've learned how to transfer your domain from Bluehost to GoDaddy. Remember to stay patient during the transfer process and reach out to customer support if you run into any issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.